The 2024 Škoda Kodiaq marks a major update for the Czech automaker's popular midsize SUV. Now entering its second generation, the new Kodiaq brings an evolutionary design, more interior space, the latest tech features, and new powertrain options including a plug-in hybrid variant. At first glance, the new Kodiaq has a familiar silhouette but adopts Škoda's latest design language. The front-end styling is cleaner and more sculpted, with a large grille and narrow headlights. New matrix LED units provide enhanced road illumination, while the rear lights run the full width of the tailgate in Škoda's signature C-shape motif. With a length of 187.3 inches, the 2024 model is over 2 inches longer than its predecessor, contributing to increased interior room. 9 exterior color choices are available, including the new Bronx Gold Metallic. The Sportline model features blacked-out elements like the grille, badging, and 20-inch wheels for a stealthier look. Despite the expanded dimensions, the new Kodiaq has a slightly narrower body and shorter height for a more athletic stance. The interior takes a significant tech upgrade, now dominated by digital interfaces. The dashboard incorporates either a 10-inch or 13-inch central infotainment display with the latest generation of Škoda's infotainment software. It's supplemented by a fully digital 10-inch instrument cluster. A head-up display is offered. The shift lever relocates to the steering column, opening up the center console area. Smart control dials with displays are positioned below the infotainment for adjusting driving modes and other settings intuitively. Connectivity is enhanced with up to 4 USB-C ports plus wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 14-speaker Canton sound system delivers premium audio. Available luxury options like ventilated massaging front seats and dual-zone climate control enhance passenger comfort. The new Kodiaq makes the most of its enlarged exterior with improved interior spaciousness and versatility. Cargo capacity is up to 2,005 liters in the 5-seat model, with flexible configurations in the 7-seat variant. The optional third row is roomier thanks to increased headroom. Simply put, the Kodiaq offers cavernous, family-friendly practicality. A range of gas and diesel engines are available for the new model. The base powertrain is an updated 1.5-liter TSI gasoline unit, making 148 horsepower, aided by mild hybrid tech for added efficiency. A more powerful 2-liter TSI with 187 horsepower joins the lineup, along with 2-liter TDI diesels in multiple states of tune. All engines utilize a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission and front-wheel drive, with all-wheel drive optional. The most intriguing addition is the new plug-in hybrid variant. It combines a 1.4-liter TSI gasoline engine with an 85-kilowatt electric motor for a total system output of 201 horsepower. Its 13-kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack provides an estimated 62 miles of electric driving range. With decent cargo space and low EV running costs, the new plug-in model brings eco-friendly versatility. Škoda has enhanced the driving dynamics while retaining the Kodiaq's comfortable, family-friendly character. The chassis features revised tuning for more responsive handling. Off-road ability sees a slight boost from the optional all-wheel drive system's updated control software. Safety systems have also been upgraded with new collision prevention tech and driver aids. The 2024 Škoda Kodiaq is smarter, sleeker, and more sophisticated than ever before. With its eye-catching styling, premium interior features, efficient powertrains, and flexible practicality, Škoda's flagship SUV solidifies its status in the competitive midsize segment. When it arrives next year, the second-generation Kodiaq looks set to win over more fans worldwide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.